Hello, I'm Clarence Anthony, CEO and Executive Director of the National League of Cities, or NLC, a proud partner to the Economic Recovery Corps. At NLC, we are the voice of cities, towns, and villages across America, dedicated to strengthening and advancing local governments nationally. We have the support of over 2,700 municipal leaders in our membership. Our mission is to relentlessly advocate for and protect the interests of those communities by influencing federal policy, strengthening local leadership, and driving innovative solutions to benefit all residents. And when I say all residents, I mean everyone, not just big cities, but small towns, rural villages, and tribal communities as well. At NLC, we are devoted to representing all of those voices and to supporting those underrepresented communities and gaining greater access to resources, including federal funding, technical assistance, and training. That's going to help them have the power to transform people's lives. Being a core partner to the Economic Recovery Corps will undoubtedly help us advance this mission by building resilient and inclusive local economies along the way. We look forward to working closely with IEDC, EDA, and all of our program partners to break down the urban-rural divide and to ensure that all kinds of communities have the capacity to effectively engage in economic development work. So let's get to work, because our residents and our communities need us, and we are excited to be a part of this incredible effort. Thank you so much on behalf of the National League of Cities.